Oh, hello everybody. As you can see, I am in Alberobello. This is an ancient city, or part of the city. It's a UNESCO World Heritage or Cultural Heritage place. And I'm visiting with the group. It's a bit weird, it's in French. And my French is not as good, but I will join so I will understand a couple of things so I can tell you guys more. And of course, I want to show you all these amazing buildings. That's the group. They all could be my grandparents, by the way, but it's cute. I mean, for some it's really hard to walk because it goes up and down, but hey, they go on an adventure, they travel it. So okay, I'll take you along. I think we'll go further, I hope, and I will take so many pictures, try to film a lot. Yeah, the tour is supposed to go like 1 hour, and then I might be alone a little bit so I can film more. See you. Really, it's really special. Wow, I'm impressed. I really am impressed. We are actually in the new part of the city, so I'm really curious to see how the old part will be. I'm sure that will be super special. So I put my phone on the selfie stick so I can film like this. But it's just so impressive how they built this. And then there are these little flowers everywhere. I'm happy that I am not the only person filming and taking pictures, because there's an older man who keeps filming too, which kind of makes me happy that, you know, he's also the last like I am. Whoa, look at this, guys. Really nice. So this is the old town. Over here is the new town. This is my travel group. And I'm a solo traveler. So we're at a special place. There are so many people trying to take pictures. I would love to show you. I took some pictures, but now I want to film, of course. What do you think so far? I love it. I am in love with this. So guys, my day has an end, and I'm about to leave back to the bus we came in and go back to the hotel, and I hope I can upload this very soon. So just for you, and last view of this amazing place.